Eating crawfish can be a fun and flavorful experience, often enjoyed in a social setting. So to start, you're going to want to grab a crawfish by the body with one hand and the tail with the other. Hold the tail firmly and twist it to break it free from the body. The tail meat is the most desirable part, so gently pull it out with your fingers. Some people like to pinch the tail to make it easier to slide out the meat in one piece. Next, the body can be enjoyed by sucking out the flavorful juices, which can make which many find to be part of the charm of the eating of the crawfish. So while some choose to discard the body, others savor the richness of the head. For those new to eating crawfish, it's common to break off the claws to extract any remaining meat. You can also use the shells to create a flavorful broth or stock for cooking. Once you've enjoyed the tail and head, now simply toss the shells into a pile to make cleanup easier. Crawfish are often served in large platters or communal trays with a variety of seasonings, making them a perfect dish for sharing with friends and family. Now, whether boiled, steamed, or added to other dishes, crawfish brings a unique taste of southern cuisine.